Don't make a mess.
Don't make a mess.
Don't spill it.
Don't spill it.
Tie your shoelaces.
Tie your shoelaces.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Don't touch that.
Don't touch that.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Put on your jacket.
Put on your jacket.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Don't forget your lunch.
Don't forget your lunch.
Stop arguing.
Stop arguing.
Clean your room.
Clean your room.
Eat your vegetables.
Eat your vegetables.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Sit up straight.
Sit up straight.
Stop running inside the house.
Stop running inside the house.
Don't slam the door.
Don't slam the door.
Share with your sister.
Share with your sister.
Stop fighting.
Stop fighting.
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Hurry up, we're late.
Hurry up, we're late.
Do your chores.
Do your chores.
Turn off the TV.
Turn off the TV.
Stop jumping on the furniture.
Stop jumping on the furniture.
Time for a bath.
Time for a bath.
Don't interrupt when I'm speaking.
Don't interrupt when I'm speaking.
Don't hit.
Don't hit.
It's too loud in here.
It's too loud in here.
Help me set the table.
Help me set the table.
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
Buckle up your seatbelt.
Buckle up your seatbelt.
Let's tidy up.
Let's tidy up.
Stay with me.
Stay with me.
Can you turn off the lights?
Can you turn off the lights?
Don't forget to feed the pets.
Don't forget to feed the pets.
No shouting.
No shouting.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Stay in your seat.
Stay in your seat.
Stop teasing your sibling.
Stop teasing your sibling.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Are you listening?
Are you listening?
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Let's get ready to go.
Let's get ready to go.
Finish your project.
Finish your project.
Be nice to your brother.
Be nice to your brother.
Sit quietly.
Sit quietly.
Mind your manners.
Mind your manners.
Use your indoor voice.
Use your indoor voice.
Say please and thank you.
Say please and thank you.
Help your friend.
Help your friend.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Keep your hands to yourself.
Say you're sorry.
Say you're sorry.
Wait your turn.
Wait your turn.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Get your shoes.
Get your shoes.
Look both ways.
Look both ways.
Don't run near the pool.
Don't run near the pool.
Finish your snack.
Finish your snack.
Put away your toys.
Put away your toys.
Zip up your coat.
Zip up your coat.
Hold the door open.
Hold the door open.
Don't yell.
Don't yell.
Help your sibling.
Help your sibling.
Come here.
Come here.
Stand still.
Stand still.
Don't climb on that.
Don't climb on that.
Put your shoes on.
Put your shoes on.
Pick up your trash.
Pick up your trash.
Turn down the volume.
Turn down the volume.
Don't forget your backpack.
Don't forget your backpack.
Drink your water.
Drink your water.
Read your book.
Read your book.
Time to go.
Time to go.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Smile for the photo.
Smile for the photo.
Let's play nicely.
Let's play nicely.
Use your fork.
Use your fork.
Wipe your face.
Wipe your face.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Push your chair in.
Push your chair in.
Don't throw your food.
Don't throw your food.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Line up, please.
Line up, please.
Take turns.
Take turns.
Let's clean together.
Let's clean together.
Time for dinner.
Time for dinner.
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Take off your shoes.
Take off your shoes.
Put on your pajamas.
Put on your pajamas.
Don't jump on the bed.
Don't jump on the bed.
Use your napkin.
Use your napkin.
Don't run in the hallway.
Don't run in the hallway.
Help set the alarm.
Help set the alarm.
Take your medicine.
Take your medicine.
Stop playing and get ready.
Stop playing and get ready.
Bring your homework.
Bring your homework.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.